it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another last minute gift guide, and since we are so close, I wanted to do a gift guide from Walmart, specifically of items that at least I could find in my stores or that you can do a store pickup, hopefully to a store super close to you. If you didn't know, Walmart does do same-day pickup, which makes shopping so much easier. I do it all the time. So I wanted to find some gifts that you could shop online and pick up in store to make sure that you are able to get everything you need right before Christmas. I really wanted to focus on finding gifts that, while you can get them last minute, didn't feel like they were afterthoughts or last minute gifts at all. I still wanted them to have meaning, use, and some kind of beautiful aesthetic to them. So I'm hopeful that you find something that's perfect for whoever you may or may not have forgotten. So lots of different options. Let's go ahead and dive right on in. First, I wanted to start off in the kitchen. I feel like this is a really great place to gift for people. The first thing that I found is this My Minis pack of different mini tools. It comes with a waffle maker, a griddle, a donut maker, and an omelet maker. I feel like this is just so cute for a family. You can also go for more of a knife block. I love the idea of giving a knife block. I feel like people don't change out their knives as often as they should, me included. Definitely need to do that. And these are some that I've been eyeing. This Thyme and Table brand from Walmart has fantastic reviews, and I love the aesthetic of these. I think these are absolutely beautiful, and it comes with everything that you need, but there are lots of great options that are on the Walmart website, and there are so many different colors and styles to pick from, so I'm sure you can find something for people on your list. Another line that's very highly reviewed with a beautiful aesthetic is the Beautiful by Drew Barrymore brand. I actually have a toaster from them, and I've been really eyeing the hot water kettle. I love everything from this brand. I think it's so beautiful. And I really like the electric kettle specifically. I think this is a great gift because it's something that you don't really need, but does make your life a lot easier. Plus, again, it's very beautiful. If you know somebody that doesn't already have a cast iron skillet, or maybe just likes to camp and could really use one, this one is such a good option. It has a beautiful scenery on the bottom of it, and I feel like it really just makes it a little bit something extra special. Plus, it's pre-seasoned, so it is a perfect, easy gift to give. Cast iron skillets are so fun to cook with, and they're absolutely beautiful. I love this one, but there are lots of different shapes, sizes, and designs to pick from. A gift that I think would be really good for the wine lover in your life is this 6-piece electric wine bottle opener. This thing just looks really beautiful and is super aesthetically pleasing, set out on a bar cart or on a kitchen counter. You could pair this with their favorite bottle of wine, and I feel like that would be a really nice gift to give. Lastly, in this category is this super cool water bottle. Hear me out. It's actually really cool. It's called a circle water bottle, and you can flavor your water so that it tastes a little bit better than plain water. I think this is a great gift going into the new year because it helps whoever you're giving it to stay hydrated throughout the year. You can maybe pair it with some new flavors for them to try. I love this idea, and I think it is such a fun gadget. If you wanted to go more of the cozy route, there are lots of different options on the Walmart website. The first thing that I wanted to share is this heated blanket. If you've watched any of my other videos, there are so many heated blankets to choose from, and I think they are the perfect gift to give. This one is from Sunbeam, and I've actually had a Sunbeam heated blanket before, and I really loved it. So I have no doubt that this one is going to be amazing. I think this is a very nice size. It's a 50 by 60, so it's the perfect size to cuddle up and stay nice and cozy warm. If you don't want to go for the heated blanket route, there are a lot of options that are just very aesthetically pleasing, lots of super fuzzy ones, some that are thicker, some that are more on the travel side. This one is really good for camping or outdoor picnics, anything like that. Plus, it's really lightweight and very easy to pack, so it would be perfect for anybody that likes to hike or travel where they're walking a lot because it's not a lot to carry around. or you could just leave it in your car. If you're going for more of that traditional blanket one, I highly recommend this Cuddle Duds one because it has a pocket for your feet. It's just an elevated step because it does have that pocket to keep your toes all nice and cozy. You can also go for a robe or some PJs or a sweater. There are lots and lots of options. There's this one that looks like and feels like the Barefoot Dreams. So cozy. I love it. That would be a fantastic gift for anyone in your life. I feel like you can never have enough pajamas and cozy clothes. I would love to get anything like this. I love the idea of giving some element of light for someone. There are lots of different candle options and lamps. I really like this moon lamp. I think these are super pretty, and I actually didn't know that you could get them picked up at Walmart. So great option for anyone in your life who loves the moon or is maybe just a very trendy person. These are super trendy. And this one does change color as well. You can also get Himalayan salt lamps from Walmart, more of the trendy shapes. There are lots of neon signs. There are so many different options. Again, you can get lots of candles as well. You can also find wax warmers. There are so many cute ones on the Walmart website. Lots that are holiday themed, some that are more neutral. All of them would be a really nice gift to give somebody if you pair it with some nice wax melts. I like the ones that are soy-based because they won't give you a headache. So here are a few different scents that I will leave linked down below for you, but you can go ahead and just find any that you think your recipient would love. Then I wanted to share some very fun options. There are lots of really cool gadgets that Walmart's website has. The first one that I want to share is this really cool music maker. It says that it's for kids, but I feel like a lot of people in my life would have a lot of fun with this. It lights up and it just looks like such a good time. You can also go for more of a camera route if you have somebody in your life that loves photography. You can get the Instax Mini. This one is a really good price, and it comes in a ton of fun colors. Or you can get more of an active camera. In all of the pictures on Walmart's website, it shows kids using them, and I think that would be a really fun way to do that. You can attach it to a bike or maybe some skis if you're doing some skiing in the winter, anything so you can really capture those memories. Then there's this really cool Pixacade, and it is a mobile game maker. I think this thing is so cool. It says that it's for kids yet again, but I feel like there are so many people that would have an absolute blast with it. It's a great way to really get kids interested in STEM and game development specifically. I think this just looks like so much fun. Then you could go more of the traditional play game route. There are lots of different video games as options. I really recommend Mario Party and Mario Kart. I feel like those are just family favorites, but you can also go ahead and find something more unique and tailored to the recipient that you're giving to, or you could go ahead and get a fun board game. There are so many great options. You can get all of the classics like Clue and Sorry and Yahtzee, but you can also get something that is a little bit more new and innovative. There are some that are themed. You could go for a themed Monopoly or a themed Game of Life, themed chess, anything like that I think is so fun. Or you could get a funny card game. There are lots of fun ones. I think this Grounded for Life one looks really fun. I will leave a bunch linked down below for you to check out. If you have a skincare lover in your life, you could also find those super cute beauty fridges at Walmart. This one is really nice because it has an LED mirror on the front, which I think makes it super practical. I love this and think it's such a good gift to get. The last category that I wanted to share is the food gift option. I think the best way to go here is to get a box of chocolates. There's so many amazing options that Walmart offers. You can get some more high-end ones. You can get some more family favorites like the Hershey's brand, or you can go ahead and get more of a snack. So you could go for a popcorn bin or maybe some cookies, something like that that I feel like is just a really nice way to say, hey, I'm thinking about you and I hope that you enjoy this. Plus, if you are hosting people, I feel like this is a really good option to just have at the house to make sure that everybody gets to have some fun little treats throughout the holiday season. So that was everything that I had to share today. I will go ahead and leave my last Walmart gift guide video so you can check that out and see if there's anything else on there that you think would be a great gift for the person that you're looking for. I hope that you found some really good ideas, and I hope that you get it in time for when you need it. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope that this video was very helpful for you. I'd love for you to stick around and subscribe so you don't miss out when I have another one coming. I actually have another gift guide coming tomorrow, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on that. I hope that you have a wonderful time shopping, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day, and if I don't see you before, happy holidays. Bye.